I am 8 years old and I never visit the doctor. The reason is this drink. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you an effective remedy. We need these ingredients to make this recipe. So let's start. 1 bag of tea, 1 small onion, 1 cup of hot water, 'Now mix all the ingredients very well. Then leave it for half an hour. Then drink it before breakfast, 1 time a week. What benefits can I get from drinking onion water with tea? Benefits of onion water with tea: 1. Improves digestion. 2. Protect against allergies. 3. Remedy for cold and respiratory disorder. 4. Maintains bone health. 5. Onion juice for skin. 6. Reduce glucose levels. 7. Cardiovascular advantages. 8. Fights cancer. 9. Prevents oral infection. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family. And please don't forget to subscribe us, and we are waiting for your feedback and comments.